I quickly want to go over what an active fire means on the ground. Now, when you first open firms, it often looks like there are huge areas that are completely on fire, and this is simply due to the relative density and symbol size of the data at this scale. So this is what it looks like, and you can see Madagascar and Mozambique look like they're totally on fire. But when you zoom in, you start to see that there's a few gaps between the pixels. Sometimes they merge together. But if you zoomed in too much, it can look like the entire pixel is an active fire. However, the hotspot could be anywhere within that pixel. So if you're looking at a VIIRS pixel, the fire could be anywhere within that 375 meter pixel. If looking at MODIS, there could be one hotspot anywhere within that 1 kilometer pixel, or there could be multiple fires. It doesn't mean that the whole pixel is burning. Now, I've just included this figure to give you a better understanding of the different pixel sizes of the data that you can find in firms. So on the very bottom left-hand side, there's a little red square. That's the pixel size for the Landsat active fire data. Now, please note that these data are only currently available for the US and Canada. And although Landsat has a high spatial resolution of 30 meters, it has a low temporal resolution. We only get Landsat observations once every 16 days as the satellite goes overhead. But because we use both Landsat 8 and 9, we do get observations every 8 days. And these are available in the global firms, but the coverage is only for the US and Canada. The next square is the VIIRS 375 meter pixel. And the one up from that is the MODIS 1 kilometer pixel. And these have been the workhorse of firms, the active fire data that we provide through firms for a number of years now. Recently, we've added geostationary data, and that's represented by the purple 2 kilometer square. This is for GOES imagery, but the same applies pretty much for the other geostationary satellites that we'll be mentioning. Just to say, this is the resolution sub-nadir. So as you move away from nadir, then the pixel size gets bigger. And we'll talk more about this as we go through. But I just wanted to make that clear.